Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and I am on episode 9 of Outer Banks reaction videos, and this one is called The Bell Tower, and I'm just super excited, so let's get into it. Dude, this is like a father son moment. Look at, oh my god, stop it, just call someone for help. Oh my god. This is so much. What is this? Stop pointing the gun. Oh my god, cokehead. Call for help. Can somebody call for help already? Oh my god.
Where are you going? Huh? I know.
What is wrong with you?
Exactly, Sarah. What is wrong with your family? That's your dad and your brother. Ward is definitely gonna take care of this, and he's gonna lie. Because he's a liar. He's gonna definitely lie about something here. Because the murderer is his son. He's definitely gonna lie. Look at him.
Why did you do it? Gavin, come in. This is Ward. Yeah, Gavin, go ahead, Ward.
She did it because you're a murderer.
Me? I thought you were flying it out. I can't. There's a... There goes the goal.
Ward stayed, and the pilot flew the plane. And as you can see, Pope is really furious here. Oh my god. This is the first time that I've seen him like this.
Relax, Kate.
You know he doesn't smoke.
Well, he do now.
Well, maybe not until today.
What is he doing? He could have gone
Help me!
to the hospital already. And come on, she lost a lot of blood already. That's not gonna help at all. Why don't you just get her to the hospital? Maybe there's still hope.
Tell him we're coming. We gotta
This is
transport ourselves.
stab. I want to stab Ward in the face right now because he's a freaking liar, and he's the one who deserves to be shot, not anybody else. He's the evil here. Look at that face.
What did you tell the cops so they come in here?
He talks like that because he's his whole body has ran out of cocaine.
Take a shower, alright? Anybody asks you, you were here all day.
And your dad, Ward, is full of shit.
Talk to Rose, okay? Please, just do what I say. Stop it! I don't need your help right now. I didn't need it then. I don't need it now. I just need to think. So please, go clean up.
You weren't in trouble, and I was protecting you.
Now this is a drama part.
Rafe.
You two are murderers. Come on.
Okay.
You deserve to be in jail.
I know. Come here.
Look at that confused face. What is happening here? Why you have...
Maybe nothing's gonna happen to Ray.
At some point, of course, you're still gonna protect your son because he's your son, even if he did something wrong.
Thinking there is good and there's evil, and that's how it should be. It's family. And tribe. Do you understand?
But still, of course, he did something wrong. He has to pay for it and not anybody else. And to top it all up, he locked Sarah in her room so she can't escape and she can't tell anyone about this. That's the friend of Rafe.
Hey man, John B, just listen to me for a second. Relax. Man, what are you doing here? Hey, just listen to me.
He's not gonna let you go because he's a friend of Rafe.
Listen to me, please. I didn't do it.
Well done, locking yourself in the laundry room. How are you gonna escape? And now he locked you. He wants that 25K. Pope is so high right now.
I love you, Key.
What?
I knew it. Because I saw in his eyes that he was jealous, like when Kiara and John B were dancing.
Yeah, that's very sweet. But it's not gonna happen.
Why not?
Well, because popes can't mac on other popes.
That was the rule, Pope.
I'm gonna go get the cops, right?
The fun part is Topper is staying at this guy's house too.
Don't let that dog out.
Just let me out, man. Yeah, Cops isn't here, bro. It's time.
Huh.
Oh, boy. Hey, Top. John B. Hey, man.
The person who hates John B the most.
You didn't shoot the sheriff? No, I didn't. It was Rafe. All right, Sarah was there. She saw the whole thing.
Exactly.
Oh, it was Rafe.
Come on, just
My bad.
listen to him for one stopper.
Believe myself either, but I get it. All right, you hate me because of Sarah.
Well, yeah, he hates you because Sarah cheated on him because of you.
I need you to listen to me.
Yes, Weezy.
He's not a killer.
Well done.
He did not shoot anyone. I was
Now Sarah can escape.
for me for as long as you can. Okay, John, we need
Be a good sister for once and not a snoop.
Pinky's where? Yeah.
The neighbor's yard in a hoodie.
What time?
Oh, 9:30. Hey, officer! Hey, officer, you got your guy. I got him locked up in my house. Got him trapped in my...
Look at this proud guy. Oh my god.
Corner from the kitchen. This your house? Yes, sir. Who are you?
He wants that 25K for sure.
But I got my boy Top in there guarding. All right, John B. It's shoot out here. We got you surrounded. We don't want any more bloodshed.
There's no, he's not the killer here.
Hey, we're back here, sir. Put your hands up, man. I'm coming in there.
Ah! He got away.
The suspect is unarmed. All right?
Okay.
Go home. Well, let's find him.
Oh my god. He got away with it.
He could have gone, bro. Hey, do not let him get far, all right?
Oh my god. Rafe is so annoying.
Not yet. Said he's headed to Shum Creek. Come on.
Sarah knows where he's going for sure. The Bell Tower. Because that's the title. Oh my god. He's gonna stalk her. Topper's gonna stalk Sarah. It's just Sarah. Oh my god. John, we can't even believe it. You're so cute.
Just take it easy, man. Just don't fucking... Just let me just talk to Sarah.
Come on, Topper. Let it go.
What are you gonna try to kill me too?
He didn't kill anyone.
Are you kidding me? He's literally brainwashed you.
Oh my god.
Everybody's up here! He's up here! Shut up! Hey, he's up here! He's up here! Shut your mouth!
Oh my god.
About these pokes, didn't I?
He's innocent.
Then who did it, Sarah?
Just say it.
Rafe.
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Why would I say that my own brother?
Exactly.
He's my brother.
Exactly.
Why would I lie about him?
Yeah. You don't snitch on your family.
Don't run into an ambush.
She wouldn't lie about it.
Bro, what are you doing?
This cokehead is really
What are
sick.
you doing, man?
He can't think straight because he doesn't have coke in his system. At some point, of course, people know, that friend knows that
Keep your hands where we can see him!
he's crazy already.
Keep your hands where we can see him! Show me your hands! It's Topper! It's Topper, right?
Topper did the right thing. Oh my god. Okay, so I don't despise Topper anymore. He proved himself.
You're gonna need to tell me what's going on right
Okay.
Three people who are just trying to help.
So he really loves Sarah, if that's the case. He helped them escape. Okay, so let's talk about this episode. Like, oh my god, the intensity and the tension in this episode was so high. Like, it's always there. Like, it has been like everything was exciting. Like, everything was like in adrenaline rush, and I love it. Like, I just can't say anything right now because like I'm so overwhelmed because like I'm so glad that I watched this and I'm almost near and I want to find out what's going to happen in the finale. Ward didn't call somebody to save the sheriff's life and he just pretended until his son and his daughter went away and like oh my god, that's what happened to John B's dad. John B's dad would have been alive if he called someone for help or if they went to the land to go to the hospital. Throughout the season, we didn't see Pope doing that. We didn't see him just like as mad as furious like that. And it breaks my heart because like you can feel in them like with all that effort to find the gold and to get that gold and it's all for nothing. It's just so sad. Also, there is a bounty on John B's head, and I'm so glad Topper did the right thing because, like, I think he did it for Sarah because, like, it's like he's like just proving that he loves her and he did it. And I'm just like, I don't despise him anymore, just Rafe and that other dude. That is it for this episode, and I'll see you in the season finale. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.